In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your MacBook Air is not charging. So typically, when you insert your charging cable into your Mac, you should see an LED light to indicate the Mac is charging. Now this depends on your model of Mac, but if you're not seeing the charging light or your MacBook's not charging, I'm going to show you two ways on how to solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and disconnect all of the cables from your Mac. Once everything's disconnected, we need to come over to the power button and hold this down for 45 seconds. Now, even if the MacBook's not turning on and the screen is black, make sure to hold this button down for a full 45 seconds. Now, after 45 seconds have passed, you can then go and release this button. You can then press the power button again for another 2 seconds, and your MacBook should now turn on. Now, once you've done this, you can grab the charging cable and check to see if the Mac is now charging. If it's still not working, I'm going to show you another way to go and solve this. Now, what you need to do is tilt your Mac onto the side like this, and you need to make sure the charging port is free from any dust or debris. So you can go and grab something like a cloth or a cotton bud and just try cleaning inside the port to make sure there's no obstructions with the charger. You also need to do the same for the charging cable as well. So the end you connect into the power outlet, just make sure this is free from any dust, and you can try cleaning this end as well. Now, if you have multiple charging ports or USB-C ports on your MacBook, you can also try using a different port. If it's still not working after cleaning the device, then what you'll need to do is try using a different USB-C cable. It could just be down to either a faulty cable or also a faulty power outlet as well. And once you've tried replacing the USB-C cable, you should now be able to charge your MacBook Air.